The Bosch DAS 3000 is the universal computer-based calibration and adjustment device for driver assistance systems. From lane departure warning to roadside recognition and emergency braking, driver assistance systems detect complex and dangerous situations, warning the driver and preventing accidents. With their intelligent cameras and radar sensors, modern vehicles are capable of constantly monitoring their surroundings. The DAS 3000 is the perfect solution to calibrate front cameras and front radars. For each vehicle brand, the appropriate targets can be ordered individually or as a complete package. The DAS 3000 enables efficient and precise sensor calibration or adjustment. First, connect a Bosch battery charger and connect the KTS to the OBD port of the vehicle. Then, start the diagnostic software, EasyTronic, on your laptop and start the automatic vehicle identification. Before beginning the front camera calibration, a system overview with trouble codes can be displayed. Select the Service Tasks tab, then Windshield Replacement. And note the measuring bay and vehicle setup prerequisites displayed. Since each vehicle requires vehicle-specific targets for the camera calibration, the ADAS One Solution software running automated inside EasyTronic provides target selection and setup information for the DAS 3000. As described in the setup information for the Audi A4, fit the two adapters marked 1 in position A and mount the dual-board calibration target. Center the target precisely after initial mounting. The dual board can be mounted at various heights and thus covers all vehicle types of the Volkswagen Group, including large vans. Guided by the on-screen message, attach the universal wheel clamp and board to the left front wheel. Do the same on the right rear wheel. The distance to the front wheel will be calculated and stored by the software. Make sure that both reference boards are fully visible for the camera. Follow the software prompt to move the clamp and board from the left front to the left rear wheel. Move the DAS 3000 to the exact position indicated. Thanks to the integrated cameras, the distance and the alignment towards the vehicle is measured digitally and displayed live in the software. With the precise millimeter and degree values for offset, distance, and rotation relative to the driving axis, positioning is much more efficient. When the DAS 3000 is precisely positioned relative to the car, switch back to the diagnostic software, EasyTronic, enter the ride height values, and continue the front camera calibration as described until completed successfully. Once completed successfully, all details are available within the EasyTronic protocol. Now it's time for the front radar. The vehicle-specific positioning information will also be displayed step-by-step by the ADAS One software. Enter the required distance and sensor spacing information. Mount the bumper plate in the middle of the camera bar. Now move the DAS 3000 towards the bumper of the car until the rubber buffer of the bumper plate touches the bumper. Guide by the on-screen graphics, move the DAS 3000 to the required position. Fix the DAS 3000 with the spring brake. Remove and stow the bumper plate. Reposition the dual board vertically on the crossbar in front of the radar sensor and fix it with the R adapter. And adjust the pitch angle until the dual board is exactly leveled. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided by EasyTronic for calibrating the front radar, letting the pitch adjuster snap into the 3 positions provided. After a successful calibration of the first sensor, mount the dual board on the other side and repeat all the steps for the second sensor. Following the calibration procedure, the report can be displayed, printed, and attached to the order. The DAS 3000 is the efficient and safe solution to calibrate ADAS components.